Basically, the actual outcome of data and result analysis experiment is industry oriented. If we are able enough to implement all those things for society, then our research will be beneficial for everyone. Right. So in this presentation, you will be acquire yourself that uh, what is the basic intelligence required for the industry. So our research, we can give a direction to our research in the benefits of the industry, because if there is industry, there is a productivity. If there is productivity, we will be grow with the economy of the country, or as well as the international level also. So this the presentation which I am going to deliver here is basically based on the data science, and you can say that business data intelligence. Right now, just I'm sharing my PPT, then we'll continue. Is my screen is visible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
My screen is visible.
No, sir. Right now it is not visible.
Oh, no problem. Again, I'm sharing.
Okay, okay.
Share option is open or not? Windows. Okay. Now visible.
Yes, sir.
Madam, visible?
Yeah, sir, it's visible now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now the keynote session is on basically uh, business data intelligence. Okay, perfectly visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So let's move further. Let me first understand what is the business intelligence. Basically, if you're talking about the business intelligence, we have to know here that business intelligence come with the data intelligence. So all the data science activity and data and analytics activities after the result or gist we are implementing for the business. If our data is able enough to understand the problem of the business and helps the business for the productivity, then we can say that data become a intelligence and provide an intelligence to a business. So in nutshell, we can say that business intelligence is a set of process, architectures, and technologies that convert raw data into meaningful information and that provide profitable business action. Here it is noticeable that the profitable action what is basically the results which comes after the data analysis and data science is accountable as the profitable business action. It is basically what exactly intelligence. Intelligence is basically a suite of software and services which transform data into the actionable intelligence and knowledge. So we can say here that the result we are getting with the support of softwares and data and transforming data, raw data into a form which is able enough to take the decision, and decision will support the profitable business action. That time the data science outcomes is known as the business data intelligence. So we can also say that business intelligence has a direct impact on organization's strategy, tactical and operational business decisions. BI supports fact-based decision making using historical data as well as the data on the runtime basis. So business intelligence tools perform lot of works. So in that work, we can also say that the data analysis and create reports, summaries, modern dashboards like dashboard of the Google AdWords, etc. Map and results and data in the form of visualization and also in the form of prediction, future prediction. So if you are using data as a future prediction, then it is also known as data, it is come to known as the data intelligence for the business. So you can see here directly, this is true fact that every organization has a goal and strategy for achieving them. So if you are having data, applying data analytics, and whatever the result we are having, if the results match with our goals or help us to achieve the goals, that time the data become business data, intelligence data. And achieving all those things with the help of data science is accountable under the business data intelligence. So, for reason, what is the actual action, which action to take, which approach to take, and gathering the necessary data. So, data cleaning, data filtering, data transformation, data mining. These are the approaches which are basically used for making data as an intelligent kind of things, right? So, as a result, we can say that many business begins to implement a business data intelligence strategy. So, if you're talking about type of the data, data analytics, first stage data descriptive analytics, diagnostic analysis, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. So, in the section of data science, if we're talking analysis of the data, so these are the four major steps which are applied with the data analytics and data science. First one, the descriptive analytics. In this section, we are just finding that what actually happened, right? So what actually happened? It's descriptive kind of data sets, data results. So this is the first step. Second was the diagnostic analysis. Why did it happen? Means why did it happen? It is the crucial things. Why did it happen? Next step is predictive analytics. What will happen? We are having data, and what will be happen in the future? That is the predictive kind of analytics. And next one, the prescriptive analytics. How can we make it happen? This is the important things. It is the basically the factual fraction of the data science. What, how can we make it happen? Means that at that moment, results are also labeled and data are also labeled. You can think about that. Result is labeled and data is labeled. But we are directly or indirectly, we are confirmed what we have to achieve, right? And but we have to create a script. We have to act according to what we want to achieve. So, in the section of data science, we can say that if we are able enough to understand the data script analytics, then diagnostic kind of analytics, then the further we are moving toward the predictive data analytics part. And the right time, this is the time where we are moving toward the prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics means we are having data and what we want to go achieve. We know already, but what will be the actual path to achieve all those things? These are comes into the section of the prescriptive kind of data analytics. This is the hot cake of the time, right? So let's move further. Well, again, we had jump on the business intelligence. In the course of effective decision making and data analysis, it is an opportunity to increase the profitability. Dear participants, I just want to make it very clear here about this presentation. What will the actual outcome of the our research? What is the actual outcome of the business, data analysis and data science? If we are able enough to implement all those things in the business, profitable units, productive units, then our research, then our data science is successful data science. If you are not able, if it is only in the book, if it only in the research paper, only as algorithm to print, publish in the journal, then I don't think that the research is useful for the society. And if you want to develop the society in the pace, we have to make our industry profitable. And our research is, if able enough to help the industry, this is the best one. So we can say that here again, as a result, it helps to optimize internal process, discover new revenues, identify market trends, and detect business problems. So preparation is required before embarking on such an approach. Learn how to create business intelligence with the data analysis is a crucial thing. It is an important part in the present era. This is history. We are skipping the history. Now, we are talking about the classification of digital data. On the basis of this data, we are making each and everything. So, digital data could be found in three forms majorly. In the present scenario, we can classify all the digital data into the three major forms. data which are run, which are passing from one section to another section, one node to another node by the help of any digital means are accountable under the digital data, right? Signaling data, other data, digital data, images processed, mobile data, laptop data, overall fall in the category of the digital data. But as per our convenience, as per analytics point of view, as per data science point of view, we may classify these data into three major categories. That's first one the structure, second one the unstructured, and third one the semi-structured. Although we are not much working on the semi-structured data because it is a mixed mode data and there is now less possibility to clean and transform semi-structured data. We can also easily clean data, structured data, and also unstructured data, but there is less possibility to work applied algorithms and techniques approaches on the unstructured data. So let's see further. If we're talking about the ratio of the data, structured data till now 10%, we are having all the structured data. We can say that 10% data are structured, and the ratio of semi-structured data is also 10%, and there is a bulk of data that is known as unstructured data. 80% data is unstructured data because it is generated by the social media and another means. So, how to deal the unstructured data? We can say 80% of data is related to concern to the unstructured data. So we can say here it is well known that unstructured data ratio is approximately 80% of the data that is being generated in any enterprise. The balance is clearly shifted towards the unstructured data. So it cannot be ignored. What is actually thing is it cannot be ignored. If we are not ignoring the data, then what we have to do? We have to convert that data in an intelligent system. This is the only solution. This is the only solution that whatever data we are having from the digital media, social media, we have to convert, we have to make these data as power to utilize or to develop intelligence, and this intelligence will help our industry to make industry profitable. This is the direct equation which are associated with the unstructured data, right? So it cannot be ignored. There is need of special dealing strategy for the same. So we can how to deal the basic things which helps to deal with the data. We can say initial kind of data, layman kind of utilization of data of unstructured data. Simply the thing is data mining. Association rule. Although it is a very simple line to say association rule, but there is a
You cannot relax. Mic बंद करिए.
हेलो सर ने मीटिंग लेफ्ट कर दी. बोलूं क्या? हाँ एक बार बोलो कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगी क्या? आ गए क्या वापस? कुछ रिफ्रेश नहीं अभी नहीं आया वापस. इनकी आवाज भी आना बंद हो गई थी थोड़ी देर के लिए.
So, sir, you are not in the meeting, right? क्या आपकी cancellation
Just left from the meeting.
हो गया?
जी जी जी. जी
वो बोल रहा मैं तो मीटिंग में हूँ।
नहीं वो प्रेजेंटेशन में नोटिफिकेशन में देखें
Sir is joining in few minutes. Kindly wait.
The number of instances.
yes sir welcome back
Sir has rejoined, so please pay attention.
yes, sir.
PPT is visible.
Sir you are audible I'll give you host yeah you are already a host sir you can present your slide now
So sharing permission दीजिए.
you are not having it wait sir I'll
Hello.
can you see it now sir
हाँ सर, प्रेजेंटेशन परमिशन नहीं आ रही अभी. गिव मी प्रेजेंटेशन
अच्छा
परमिशन. हाँ.
sir I think you're already having it because I invited you and right now just I made you co-host so you should
Okay.
have can
Okay.
you
Okay. Just a
kindly
minute.
try to refresh yeah refresh the page
Yes. Yes. Yes.
yes sir you are visible now are you getting that screen share button
Just a minute. हाँ. Okay. Visible. Please tell me. Visible.
yes sir, it will take time yes it is coming
Right.
yes visible it is
Okay. Okay. Now continue. We'll continue.
yes sir let's start
Okay. Fine. So, where we are actually. So basically, these are the approaches we are discussing: natural language processing and noisy text analysis. One of the important section before we are moving towards the business intelligence. And next one is the manual tagging with the metadata. And next one is the part of speech tagging. Post is again an important section. And unstructured information management architecture (UIMA) is the important section again. So these are the tools. With the help of these tools, we can manage the business data intelligence basically. And these are the section of the data mining basically. Now stages of the business intelligence process. So there is a multiple stages we can see here. Data analysis is why business invert in business system. The insights from analytics reports affect the all company process, regardless of how companies process their data. These two terms are frequently used interchangeably. So, business intelligence uses past and present data. Here, it is noticeable that past and present data both. It is required to train the machine to predict the trend, future trends, and past trend also. So business intelligence uses past and present data to inform current decision. In contrast of business analytics uses past data to explain current data and predict what will happen in the future. So you can say collect data as a data engineering part and apply that to storage, cleaning, processing, analysis, and reporting tools with the business intelligence tools. At the last, we are discussing multiple business tools also. So, business stage of the business intelligence processes. Business intelligence software uses different analytics methods, including data mining. Discovery is the automated analysis of large amounts of data to discover the pattern. Text analysis is one of the important thing. Search for patterns in textual data. Also, you can use it for sentiment analysis, which we are very common right now, or linguistic analysis on social media. What is the basically importance of text analysis? Here we have to understand and why how we can convert it into the business intelligence. A lot of transaction we are making, and we are making lots, filling lots of form, choice form, and survey forms, and the product survey form. These text analysis play a crucial role to develop the business intelligence. The opinion received by the user is a final database for the companies, and company make a good sense to perform their practices with the help of the opinion received by the user. Business analytics connects data governance and companies, allow them to predict future trends and uncover previously unknown inefficiencies in their system. This is the keyword for the business analytics. Next part, why should business implement business intelligence strategy? So there is a multiple kind of thing. First thing is underperformance or underperforming employees. How we can predict the employees not performing well or employees performing? So there is a need of business intelligence. Again, loss of customers. Next one is the wasted resource and timing. Actually, thing is that all the units, basically, a lot of units are under profit, but over expenses and unmanaged expenses and wastage of resources, or we are not able enough to optimize the resources. Then the situation directly comes as a loss in the business. If we are working on the optimization techniques, optimal kind of things, definitely we are saving the resources and time. Definitely things will be converted into the profitable things. This is the role of the business data intelligence. Collect the clear data and find out the optimum utilization of the resources. This is the important task. Under and overstocking. This is the business kind of things which I'm not discussing here. Lack of the data usage. If you are having data, data analytics things, but if you are not able to analyze the data properly, definitely we will be not in the profit. Optimizing operations. How to developing product, marketing, sales, employee, human powers, technical power, engineering resources. If you are not able enough to optimize the operations, definitely we are not able to make sense of business data intelligence and make unit in profits. Forcing trends, actual what is the actual trends? All the data science and data mining is working to find out the trends. Different algorithms are utilizing for the trends. As I discussed earlier, priori, a priori, and other algorithms are also working in the direction of the forcing the trends. Planning approach to increase the profit. Analyze customer behavior. Customer behavior is the one of the crucial part. Analyze customer behavior is the one of the very crucial part, customer behavior, because whatever the customer is doing, whatever the customer purchasing, and which kind of services user want to avail is the key part. We have to record all those things in an efficient manner, clean it in the proper way, and transform it in the better way and apply the machine learning approaches to find out the actual behavior of the behavior. Even we can say that the prescriptive analytics is the one of the major tool which we discussed earlier, that prescriptive analytics is used to analyze the customer behavior right now. Now, analyzing competitors data. Another one is the discovering problems and their solution. This is the major part which are for the business data intelligence development. Now, benefits of adopting business intelligence strategy for your business. Why we are going for data analytics? Why we are going for data science regressive? What is the final outcome of data analytics? That is accurate reporting. This is the first outcome of the data science and data analytics is accurate reporting. Next one is the profitable decisions. Important section again. Next one is the identifying trends. Identifying trends is again important section. And next one risk management. Risk management, and then we are going for budget management and the data accessibility. So we can say the final outcome of the data science and data analytics is accurate reporting, profitable decision, identifying trends, risk management, budget management, and data accessibility. Now, what is profitable decision? We are the visualization make profitable decision is whatever the unit we are having, whatever the activity analytics we are applying. Ultimately, ultimately the decision of the applying algorithms, learning, and outcomes are make sense to make our unit in the profit. So as a result, business intelligence aids in making better decision for improving the business performance. Means we cannot find a, we can say profit means always generating the finance. Performance is again we can say a profit of the business. Now accurate reporting. Financial and operational data are used in business intelligence to generate accurate report, visual representation, and return information. As a result, every stakeholder is aware of every minor changes. Identifying trends, we have to identify the trend. Automatically, we are identifying the trend by the predictive analytics, utilizing predictive analytics. Business intelligence examines an industry, market, competitors, strength and weakness, and trends. So these are the major keywords here. Uh, Understand market strength and weakness. All those things are how we can measure with the help of data. Clean the data, transform the data, and make the sense of the data. Be the first to recognize future trends. If you are in the market, you should be the first one. Your algorithm should be able enough to identify the data at a very elementary stage to upcome about the upcoming future. So be the first to recognize future trends and capitalize on opportunities. As a result, these trends will assist you in gaining a competitive advantage and flourish more. Risk management. Risk management, again, a very crucial section which are managed by the help of data. If you are able enough to take the risk, you have to work with the data. You have to work with the data analytics. All kinds of analytics are tool to manage the risk of the industry. Every industry faces its own set of challenges. For instance, cyber threats, data leaks, or other issues. Business intelligence initiatives enables organization to discover, identify, and reduce them in the most efficient manner or most possible manner. Budget management, oh, it's again application of the data science. That budget management is now lots of company are managing data automated budget method. Depends on the previous budget and upcoming targets and looking about the market trends. So we may improve all those things budget management by the help of business intelligence tools. So business intelligence tools are inexpensive or free, so the budget will not be an issue right now with the help of data science and the data analytics. Data accessibility. The majority of business data is easily accessible. It is not necessary to code, mine data, or hire expert. You can export the raw data from where it is stored using business intelligence tool in the minutes. Then to begin using business intelligence, you must crunch the numbers, analyze and visualize the data. So now the designing of the business and data accessibility both are the simple possibility with the help of data science and analytics. Now see the how to build a business intelligence strategy. The graph diagram you can see here, that simply thing, the stakeholder views the business intelligence strategy as a roadmap, especially the strategies that aims to assist business in measuring and strengthening their performance. Analysts do it through architecture and solution. So we can see here the diagram, corporate strategy, and second part is information technology strategy. So both information strategy and corporate strategy, we're making, if we're making at a particular suitable point of view, it makes sense to develop our data as an intelligence. So product strategy, then financial strategy, and similarly at the pace human resource strategy and marketing strategy. If we are making a best suitable amalgam of all those things with the efficient manner, with the optimization techniques, and utilizing the business intelligence tool, definitely it will give a drastic results to develop a business intelligence. Now, the steps we are to develop a business proper intelligence as a management point of view. If you're talking about the business intelligence strategy, define your current state, where you are actually, which kind of database you are having actually, and what number of the database you are having in your hand. This is the very important thing. Data is gold. Second one, the business, build a business intelligence roadmap where we want to go. So if you want to make a roadmap is the process of prescriptive analytics part. Prescriptive analysis, roadmap. Where I want to go actually, I have, and what I have actually in hand, current state, the roadmap if your prescriptive analytics. Present business intelligence to the stakeholder. Next one is the set the KPI, key performance indicator and requirements. What is the required to fulfill as per the point of view prescriptive analytics. Next one is select the tool. Which data science tool, data mining tools are best able enough to achieve the prescriptive part which you want to achieve in upcoming futures. Create a prototype and set the team. This is the basic strategy with the business data intelligence, and each and every part we are regressively utilizing the data and other things which are data analytics and strategies like prescriptive and predictive analytics strategies. So we are not going to discuss all those things, what will be the tools and technology used in this. We are just coming on the uh, mm, actual part, analytics and business intelligence intelligent trends in 2024. What will be happen? Over the past decade, business intelligence has a great revolution. Data exploded and become big. We are gained access to the cloud. Spreadsheet finally took a backseat to actionable and insightful data visualization and interactive business dashboards. The rise of self-service analytics demo at the data product chain. Suddenly, advanced analytics was not just for the analysis. So there is a need of advanced analytics trends and implement all the trends with the minor tools in the business to achieve the goal of business. Now make your data not a simple data, make your data as an intelligence for business. So in 2022, BI tools and strategy will become increasingly customized. Businesses of all sizes are no longer asking if they need increased access to business intelligence analytics, but what is the best business intelligence solution for their specific business? It is required, it is mandatory. Companies are no longer wondering if data visualization improve analysis, but what is the best way to tell each data story, especially with the help of modern business intelligence dashboard software. Right now the dashboard software is too much important, because if we are working with the stock market or working with the any kind of interface or investment agency, any kind of other things, we need dashboard software. Dashboard software is the one of the achievement which provides you each and everything on a single platform. 2024 will be the year of data security and data discovery. Discovery just continue discovery in the reference of data security, because as per the social media and the modern social media and marketing, digital marketing, financial marketing, all those things, we are facing rigorously facing the security of the data. So data security is important concern in the 2024 to improve the business data intelligence. Clean and secure data combined with a simple and powerful presentation, it will also be a year of collaborative business intelligence and artificial intelligence. So the present era is the era of artificial intelligence and business intelligence in a collaborative form. If we're talking about the industrial production and profit making industries, there is multiple section which are associated with the data science, but I am talking here only the business intelligence and profit making business industries in the present presentation. So, as per talking about the 2021, what is the basic ingredients to develop the business intelligence? These are real-time data analytics, artificial intelligence tool, data security, data discovery, SaaS business intelligence, which are associated with the cloud directly, collaborative business intelligence, data automation, predictive and prescriptive analytics. Till now, we can say that picture is not get changed. Whatever the requirement of business intelligence was in 2021, we are at the same pace, but there is some improvement in the quality and services, right? So the first thing we are discussing analytics and business intelligence trends for 2023-24 is artificial intelligence is a science aiming to make machine execute what is usually done by complex human intelligence. AI and machine learning are changing the way we interact with our analytics and data management, while increment in security measures must be taken into the account. The fact is that it is and will affect our lives whether we are like to it or not. Simple thing, if you are not like artificial intelligence, but AI is affecting our life. AI and machine learning are regressively entered in our life, and we have to manage the our life according to machine learning and artificial intelligence. And future will be definitely of artificial intelligence, because we are giving permission to machine to interact with us. We are working with the data. We are working on social media. We are always using mobile. Each and everything our related to us is digitized, and our daily habit, daily practice, daily data is recorded by the digital devices and make it a database, make convert it into a database, right? So these are the effects. This is not choice. We are not having choice that we have to implement artificial intelligence or machine learning, yes or not. Yes and yes, this is the answer. Businesses are evolving from static passive reports of things that have already happened to proactive analytics with dashboard that help business to see what is happening and every second and give alert when something is not how it should be. Solutions such as an AI algorithm based on the most advanced neural network provide high accuracy in anomaly detection as it learns from historical trends and patterns. The way any unexpected event will be immediately registered and the system will notify the user. So earlier we are talking about the anomalies and ambiguities in the database. But right now, this is not hard to identify the ambiguities and anomalous values, or we can say that irregular value from the database. It will be predict on the runtime basis. So our artificial intelligence and machine learning is too much smart to find out all those things. Now, AI has an offer in business intelligence solution is the upscale insight capability is basically fully analyzes your data set automatically without needing an efforts on your end, which actually happened Whatever the notification you are seeing your mobile on the regular basis, these are the result of artificial intelligence, and it will be continue for the upcoming year, coming running year 2024 and 25, 26 also. After that 26, will be a great drastic change in the artificial intelligence scenario. You simply choose the data source you want to analyze, and the various algorithms should be focused on it. No need to develop your own algorithm. Right now, artificial intelligence is able enough to analyze your data, right? So it calculates each and everything, growth trend, and forecast also. Value drivers, key segments, analysis, what if analysis. You can simply see that artificial intelligence with association of the data science is work on the all kinds of analytics. Only the need is clear data, or we can say that intelligent data is required right now. That is an incredible time game, as what is usually handled by the data scientist will be performed by tool, providing business users with access to high quality insight and a better understanding of their information even without a strong IT background. So it is not a time to saying that only IT background or engineering background is required to work with the data science or data analytics. Extremely not, because we are not going for insights of the data algorithm and machine and coding, because AI tools and other machine learning tools are providing you ample amount of tools, inbuilt tool, ready made tools. Only you have to develop a intelligentsia how to implement that tools in respect of the business analysis, in respect to convert business data into a data intelligence. This is the requirement of the time. Next part, we are moving toward the analysis and BI trends with data security. As per the security point of view, there is a screen of, which have result of 2029 and 20. The multiple kinds of security features are given here, and the percentage of the security ratio is also given here. So this is about near to 3 to 4 years before data. Application security point of view, we can the growth is 66.2%. Cloud security 33.3%. Means that there is lot of needs to secure the cloud in the present context, or we can say that we are making lot of efforts to secure the cloud. And data security is 7.2. Identity access management is again a crucial point, but we are making efforts on this 5.8%. Infrastructure protection 5.8%, integrated risk management 3.8%, network security minus 2.6 on the equipment's point of view. Here we are lacking, where we have to also focus there. We cannot say the focus here, but the other things are too crucial. So diversion of the security is to move towards the cloud and other application security, security services, consumer security services, software also. So we can, according to Gartner, underlines the main drivers to global security spending, privacy regulations, the need to address digital business risk, focus on building detection and response capabilities. So again, the second important section, as per the compare of 2020 and 24, we are not much improving the things. We have to work on the security with the help of data intelligence. Next one, the analytics and business intelligence trends for 2024. A report in the form of visualization is again a very important concern. People are not too much interested to see the report in the form of text or numeric. They want all the business visualization form. So data visualization has evolved into a state-of-art solution to present and interact with numerous graphics on a single screen. Whether it is focused on developing sales chart, comprehensive interactive reports, the point is that data discovery is a process that enables decision makers to reveal insight, and by using visualization, team have to chance to spot trends and measure outliers with numbers. Since human process visual data, as per the human process, visual data is better. The data discovery trends will find increment as one of the most important business intelligence trends. So visualization approach, which are associated with the data science and data analytics, are the key and help our dashboards to improve the quality. And again, it is give opportunity for taking better decision in a minimum time. So here again, data, numeric data, character data become a visualization kind of graphical data, visualized data, and that it the actual thing where data become intelligent data for business intelligence. Next part, the SaaS BI, service as a service, software as a service. The future of business analytics lays in the possibility to perform own analysis with tools that are accessible no matter the location and can adjust to current and future working conditions. This is again very important part for the business data intelligence, that you can access each and everything at the any part of the world, any part of the world, or any in any moment also. So many businesses have turned to a SaaS business intelligence in order to gain more flexibility and access the data on the cloud from any device. Such technologies that enable data movement and access from multiple places will continue to rise as one of the most important business intelligence trends. So this is the third trend. Again, it is important. It's give a very weightage in the development year and continues in the 2024 also. Sales is becoming a best friend to remote and disparate teams that need solution that will help them to optimize their business process and ensure there are no bottleneck by working remotely. So sales is one of the important concern. Again, next one part we can say that predictive and prescriptive analytics tools. I always emphasize as a data scientist or as a data science person that predictive analytics tool and prescriptive analytics tool is the future of the data science. If we are not taking prescriptive analytics seriously, then definitely data science will not support you in the future. Business analytics of tomorrow is focused on the future and tries to answer the questions what will happen and how can we make it happen. So predictive analysis is the practice of extracting information from existing data set in order to forecast future probability. Although these are the things we know earlier, we are using data, training the machine, and finding the result. So we can say predictive analytics. It is an extension of data mining which refers only to past data. Predictive analytics includes estimates future data. Among the different predictive approaches, two are quite popular among the data scientists: artificial neural network and the autoregressive integrated moving average, ARIMA. Right now, the advanced version of the ARIMA and advanced implementation of the ARIMA model is one of the important concern to make data as an intelligent data. Now, prescriptive part of the data goes to set up a further into a future. It examines data or content to determine what decisions should be made and which step taken to achieve an intended goal. It is characterized by techniques such as graph analysis, simulations, complex event processing, neural network recombination engines, heuristic, and machine learning. Prescriptive analytics tries to see what the effect of future decision will be in order to adjust the decisions before they are actually made. This improves decision making a lot as future outcomes are taken into consideration in the predictions. Prescriptive analytics can help you to optimize scheduling, production, inventory, and supply chain design to deliver what your customer want in the most optimized way. So this is the way, by the help of prescriptive analytics, you can optimize each and everything of your organization and make best profit of your organization. Now, analytics and BI trends for real-time data analytics. Real-time access to data has become a norm in everyday life. In the businesses, including the general work like most recent information, graphs and statistics that have defined some of the strategies. The real-time analysis enables business to stay on top of changes and adapt to immense challenges. Moreover, implementing live dashboard will help companies to immediately access relevant information regarding their businesses and react if any potential issues arise. Similarly, up-to-date data is becoming more important than ever before. And since the world has changed, company needs to adapt as well. High gear for data access is becoming the norms and is one of the reason why some companies can survive and other are not. So this is, in general, we can say this is a very simple thing, but if we're talking about to stay in the market and survive, we should be very much aware about the gaming of the data and gaming of the information. right now in the right now or in the current scenario, in the competitive environment, we cannot work with the data only. We have to make our data intelligent by the multiple kind of tools and technologies. So business data intelligence get importance with the help of data science and artificial intelligence also. Next is the collaborative business intelligence. Collaborative business intelligence is a combination of collaboration tools including social media and other 2.0 technologies. Similarly, we can say that also technology industry 4.0 is coming and society 5.0 is again technology which may be utilized by the system with online BI tools also. This is developed in a context of enhanced collaboration, addressing the new challenges in the fast track business providers where more analysis are done. These business intelligence tools make sharing easier in generating automated reports that can be scheduled at a specific time and to specific people. Collaborative information exchange, and collaborative decision making are the key focus of the new business solutions. Different kind of DigiLockers and facility provided by the governance are a good example of the collaborative approaches. And collaborative decision making are the key focus on the new business intelligence solution. But collaborative business intelligence does not only remain around some documents, exchange of the updates only. It is more than documents and exchange and updates. It has to track the various progress of meetings, calls, emails, exchange, and the ideas collection also. More recent insight predict the collaborative business intelligence will become more connected to greater system and larger set of the users. The team's performance will be affected and the decision making process will thrive in the new concept. So collaborative trends business intelligence is again a important part. Next is the mobile BI. It's a very simple thing, and all the things. Future is of mobile. It will replace all the laptops and other electronic devices. A few years ago, mobile business intelligence was considered a huge fit in the BI and analytics community. The market penetration is still growing. You know, market penetration is still growing, and BI solution is option within their software, such as modern mobile dashboard. Each and everything is available on the modern mobile, but not just vendors. Companies will also implement mobile solution and actively use them since it will provide them with numerous benefits, accessing your information at any time and any place while riding on the train, relaxing on beach. Physical presence at any office site is less necessary each year, and this is currently affecting the BI industry as well, as all due to data science and analytics. Modern business BI enables companies to have access to their data also in real time, ensuring faster reaction to any business occurrence and giving more freedom to users that are currently not in the office but need to access critical business information on the go. Next part is the data automation. Automation is again important and crucial part. Business intelligence topic wouldn't be complete. Directly we can say wouldn't be complete without data analysis automation. In the last decades, we show so much data produced, stored, and ready to process that companies and organizations were seriously looking for modern data automation solution to tackle massive volume of information that has been collected. Business intelligence with data automations gives you a focused way, an automated way where you can reduce your human efforts as well as error. Because error, there is no requirement of error, any kind of error, to if we are able, if you are looking towards the make profit in the business, excel in the business, right? So data automation is the one of the most important tool and supporting tools to develop the business intelligence. Embedded analysis, it is one of the important section, very important section, embedded analytics. Business have recognized the potential of embedding various BI solutions or reports into their own application, and thus improving their decision making process and increasingly productively. Formerly struggled by the spreadsheets, companies have realized how utilizing embedded business BI enables them to provide higher value within their own applications. Right? So there is no need of multi kind of software or multi kind of associated software to make the decision. There is need of only single section which may cover the data, which may collect the data, which may process data, which may produce the data, and finally produce the result, and also give the prediction for the future. This is the whole phenomena of embedded analysis. Whether you are need to create a report or send multiple dashboard to clients, embedded analytics is becoming a standard in business operations, and we will see that maximum companies adopting it. Departments and companies owners are looking for professional solution to present their data without the need to build their own software. By simplifying white labeling the chosen applications, organizations can achieve a polished presentations and reporting which they can offer to the customers. This is one of the trend in analytics that can be implemented immediately, since many vendors already offers this opportunity and ensure that application works seamlessly and without much complexity. So embedded analytics is the finally the outcome of the business intelligence in the hand of user. Now the whole at the end we can say that the whole scenario of the data science scientist, data scientist, database expert, AI experts, all are amalgamation of the all the things, statistics, data science, data mining, data analytics. Each and everything is associated or connected internally. Basic thing is data, cleaning, purifying the data, preparing data, transforming the data in the proper way, and applying the techniques, algorithms of data mining, and advanced algorithms which are known as the predictive and prescriptive analytics. It is the major form data scientist. Either you are doing all those things manually, or make it happen by the help of machine that become a machine learning. So each and everything is depend on the data. So there is need to make data intelligent at everywhere. Thank you for this session. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much, sir, for your insights. Now, if anybody is having any questions, so they can unmute their mic and ask.
Anyone want to ask any question?
Anybody who wants to ask any question, they can raise their hands.
Yes, Mr. Satpal, you have raised the hand. You can ask your question.
Satpal sir, can you unmute yourself? I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
I'm comparatively new to this field of data science and machine learning. In this conference only, I first published my paper and I studied about natural language processing. So my question
Yeah.
is, sir, that regarding exploratory data analysis. So if I am doing sentiment analysis, so can you give
Mhm.
some pointers that in a given vast data set, what kind of exploratory data analysis I should do? Like, what are the things that I should focus? Like, for example, in my paper, I was trying to do some heat map analysis and some pair plot analysis, but I was not able to understand it, how to interpret it. So can you give some references, some pointers right now, or some links which can like guide me what kind of EA exploratory data analysis I can do?
Okay. Satpal Singh ji, your question is very good, but link, connection, and data, it is not possible to give you within 2 minutes or 5 minutes. So it is more better that you can take my mail ID from the Subhash sir, and I will send you the data. But meanwhile, I just want to say you, if you are working on the data sentiment analysis, right? So
Yes, sir.
which kind of tools you are using for that, and what your text basis or visual basis sentiment, because
So,
right now we are moving fastly towards the sentiment analysis with images, right?
okay,
Earlier we are working with the text. Okay.
okay. I was doing text based, so image based is also possible now.
Now possible, because research is moving very fastly. We are looking towards the images also, sentiment analysis. Earlier we are, till
Okay,
now we are working on the text, but
okay,
experimental point of view, I am also working. My one of the scholar, I'm giving a topic to work and sentiment analysis with the help of images.
okay, okay. So images
Right?
like they are the people we are looking at their faces and guessing their sentiments. Is it like that?
Exactly, motion, movements of the face,
So it is
expression.
more like emotion detection using
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah,
face
yeah.
features.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes, yes. We have to develop our new tool and a new algorithm for this, because right now any kind of software are not having inbuilt kind of uh, uh, you can say software to catch the
hmm,
sentiment by the help of the images and videos. We have to
okay.
develop. We are working in that scenario. Whatever the achievement success we are getting or not, but we are working on with the image.
Then I'll definitely connect with you through email and I'll first tell what I am doing and then definitely ask you what you are doing. I can maybe proceed in that direction as well.
You can directly connect me. My profile is Dr. Sanjay Gaur, available on LinkedIn and Facebook. Any all the social media will connect me, and we'll work
Okay.
together. And I will send you some data on the
Yes,
for
sir.
the current research also. Right?
Okay. Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Anybody else? Okay, so now as the question answer session has been done, I would like to thank Dr. Gaur to share his knowledge with us, and we would like to listen you again in future, sir. Thank you so much. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.